Hi there, Virgos. Welcome to your zodiac reading. So, this is going to be your reading for January 2022. And how I do this is like I did last month. I'll first look at the overall theme for the first half of the month and then the second half of the month. Sorry about the sound of the background, can't do much about it. And then I will be looking at your career and your relationships separately. Okay, so let's see. Virgo's first 15 days, how does it look like? January 1st to the 15th, Virgos, how does it look like? Okay, so I see for the first 15 days, probably you will be taking one day at a time. You will not react, you will not do things. Um, I'm seeing you have patience for the first 15 days. I don't know what this is about, but whatever this is, you have patience about this particular situation. You do not want to react in impulse. You are very sure about how you want to move things forward. You're not reacting, you're not doing anything in impulse. I am seeing that you now have clarity about how do you want to move forward and what do you want to exactly do. But you're going to take baby steps is what I feel. You're not doing this in a rush. You're not jumping the gun here. Let's see the remaining 15 days of January, Virgos for you. Remaining 15 days of January, Virgo. New life. So I think you will be able to set the pace or set the path which will take you towards something new. It looks like something cracking open, like something like that. So I'm not seeing that, okay, everything will be ready and set, but yeah, things will move forward for you, is what I'm picking up. It's not like it's happening in a rush, it's a slow process. You will see small things happening in this situation. I also feel somewhere there are certain break free moments that you need to have. You need to open up, you need to say things. You'll have to do things simply. But yeah, this breaking free has to be done by you only. Nobody else can do this for you. Okay? Now, Let's see. How does your career look like in January 2022? Oh, Wheel of Fortune came out for Taurus also. Three of Wands again. And I have the Three of Cups. I see a change in perception. Like, okay, if you've been waiting for a celebration or a news, and you got an idea that maybe it'll not happen, maybe you just felt that okay, it'll never happen, but I pick up that it will happen. It will happen for you. I have a feeling that somewhere for your career, this is to do anything that gives is a source of income for you. It's like you did visualize a dream, and that dream is coming true. So there's nothing to feel bad about. There's nothing to feel sad about. Okay, that dream of yours is actually coming into reality. Okay, so there's nothing to bother, there's nothing to feel panicked about. You just need to go with the flow, Virgos. Your career seems to be moving. I see things moving. And overall, the whole theme of your reading this time is movement. Sorry. It is movement because chop wood and new life. So, slow and baby steps taking you towards what you're meant for. So, let's see how does your relationships look like. So, I'm using this deck, which is too huge for me to shuffle on camera. So, I'm doing it on the side. But I really wanted to use this deck because it's a beautiful deck with beautiful images. So let me see your relationships, Virgos. How does your relationship look like? Your relationships. The Hanged One. Okay. Here there seems to be not too much of a movement. 10 of Swords. 6 of Swords. And the Wheel of Fortune again. So I think there's a lot of stuff that you're expecting right now. Okay. There's a lot of things that you're expecting right now, and it's probably not happening. Okay, so I am seeing that you will have to change your perception. This is in regards to your relationship. You're thinking from a place of negativity, from a place of not feeling very positive about the whole thing. So you have to move away from there and things will change. Right now, things are stagnated because you're very negative about this whole thing. And somewhere you also know that a certain situation is just not really working out for you. You got to move away from the thought process that, I'll make it work out. You can take baby steps because we saw chop wood. But slowly, gradually, once you move away from that ideology, I am seeing a change, a shift happening in your life. Okay, so this you will only have to do. I know there is stagnation, but the stagnation is for a reason. Now let's see what is the advice to you from the runes. Advice to you from the runes. Ooh, this came out for Taurus also. This is about new beginnings, and we had the new life here. And there is some resistance from your end. This resistance could be a negative way of thinking, because that's what I pick up in your personal life. Yeah. I mean, there is so much of newness here. Like, I see this hanged one is also about something new. You have to change the way you look at things. That is going to actually bring about a huge new beginning in your life. Okay? Um, change. Virgos, change. The way you're looking at things is very negative currently, and that is what is stopping your growth, and that is the advice to you for January. Don't look at things from this angle, look at it from a different way. You probably, the way you're looking at it is very negative, and that's what you need to stop. It's not about conquest or I'm done and all. It's just that you're not looking at the other side, what lies on the other side. Okay? All right, so that is what I have for you, and private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. You can also book a runes reading and let me know in the comments if this reading resonated with you. Runes really give very direct messages. And here, this is also runic tarot that I'm using. So, majorly, I think there is this one particular feeling or thought for you, Virgos. It's majorly a negative frame of mind. If you come out of that, okay, even while waiting, you're probably feeling negative, even in your career. Don't feel negative, okay? There's always a positive side to everything that happens in life. And I know it's easier said than done from here that I'm talking, but just try doing it and see. You will actually see a instant result over there. Okay? All right, Virgos, that's what I have. Let me know. Bye bye.